This week's Safety Toolbox talk is on material handling of oblong objects. And what you have here is a 400-pound, 14-foot door being handled by a couple of laborers, a couple of carpenters, and it's secured at the bottom, as you can see. And moving around to this other elevation here, we're utilizing a lift with a blanket on the front of it to protect this door so we don't damage it. And these four gentlemen, tradespeoples, are going to slowly show you how to lower this door down onto the floor and then secure it on a cart. Now, mind you, we have an aging workforce and we have a lot of weight. We have an oblong object, and we had to really think about administrative and engineering controls, not only to take this door down safely, but to not damage it at all with scratches. These are going to be sent out, they're going to be refurbished, they're going to be brought back to the project in 6 months and reinstalled. So all the hardware has to be marked, each door has to be marked from where it came down from. It's an interesting task and a little bit more of an unusual task for us in regard to material handling. Well thought out, by the way. This is where your ergonomics comes into play. So at the base there, our trades is pulling away a door securement that we were using to stabilize the base. And now we're slowly gonna move this lift backwards as we lean that 400-pound door into this lift. And he's gonna slowly continue to bring it down while he's backing it off. And each of the crew has part of this load. We don't want it to slip out from underneath us, right? But this is the type of pre-planning that we talk about in our daily morning huddles. This has got to be talked about, and each member of this team has to understand the task at hand and the weight that he's responsible for and when. Because if anybody doesn't do their job properly here, you've got your caught between and your pinch by exposure. And once again, additional protective measures put in place so that we can simply bring this thing down to 0-0 without it striking the ground or even damaging the existing floor. So here you go. That's the hardest part of the whole job, is just lowering it down to that final elevation. So this week, talk about some material handlings on your job site and working in tandem when you've got oblong objects like this. Let's have a safe day. Let's have a safe week. Thank you.